Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza with bread. Start by preheating your oven to 220 degrees C and gathering bread, sauce, cheese, and toppings. Toast the bread lightly so it holds sauce, then spread a thin layer of sauce, add cheese, and your toppings. Bake until cheese bubbles and edges crisp, about 8-12 minutes, then let cool slightly for a quick weeknight meal. Gather ingredients and prep toppings before you start baking for smooth workflow. Slice cheese and toppings uniformly so everything cooks evenly and looks great. Pre-toast bread for 2 to 3 minutes to firm the base and prevent soggy centers. Assemble quickly after toasting so bread stays warm, then bake on a hot tray for the crispiest result and best melted cheese texture. Slide assembled bread pizzas onto a preheated tray or stone for immediate bottom heat and faster crisping. Keep an eye on the top to catch perfect browning without burning edges, rotating once if needed. If using heavier toppings, lower the rack slightly and extend bake time by a few minutes for even cooking. Serve with fresh herbs added after baking for bright flavor and a restaurant feel.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.